gentle, silent, and deep. If these words touched your heart, then know this: the message has already reached you. Silence is the language of God. Everything else is poor translation. When words fall away, when the mind becomes still, that is when the divine feels closest. Only a quiet heart can truly listen. Where there is love, there is life. This love is not only for people, it is love for truth, love for the divine, and love for your own soul. A heart without love may still be beating, but it is not truly alive. The wound is the place where the light enters you. We often try to escape pain, but Rumi teaches us that pain does not come to break us. It comes to awaken us. Every wound carries a hidden lesson if we are brave enough to look within. Yesterday, you were clever, so you wanted to change the world. Today, you are wise, so you are changing yourself. Rumi reminds us that real transformation does not begin outside. It begins within. When a person changes their heart, the world around them starts to change.